This video is intended to highlight a very powerful tool that is designed to protect your assets. Whether you're an artist or content creator, Meta Rights Manager helps protect your unlicensed audiovisual content. So to apply, head over to rightsmanager.fb.com. So just like YouTube's Content ID tool, Rights Manager scans your reference files on their platforms. This is to see if there's any potential matches. You as a rights holder can then choose what policies to set in place, such as block, allow, or monetize on any jurisdiction you have exclusive rights to control. Now, keep in mind that you don't have the ability to automatically block the content. Unlike YouTube, on Meta Rights Manager, you have to manually verify what to block. In most cases, you would probably choose to monetize the asset. You then also have the option to whitelist pages or profiles from claiming. So this can be useful when a client licenses your work. Additionally, if you distribute your content with, let's say, a distributor, you most likely will not be eligible for this. So this tool is basically designed to help those who control a large amount of assets. Keep in mind that this tool can be extremely powerful. So there's a lot that is at stake for Meta platforms. There's a guardrails in place when you use Facebook Rights Manager, because you can actually see who is trying to take down that specific asset. So by default, since you have this tool, you have great control on your asset because you're the first one to upload that reference file, and you as a rights holder are probably going to be taken more seriously. Just keep in mind that everything you add as a reference file has to be yours and cannot have been distributed by someone else on that platform, because you're going to get into a conflict of interest and all your reference file is going to be invalidated, and you're probably going to have issues and who, because they're going to wonder who it is, who controls it. So the first one who uploads that file probably has the greater control, and you have a specific limited time to dispute that. And if that cannot be resolved, you're probably going to be forced to take this to court and prove it. But anyways, for the most part, I was just doing this video to highlight this tool. Some people might find it beneficial. I do. But that's all for today.